Once you've cut all your cords or threads to the length you need, take the two longest ones which you'll be using to create your loop and put them to one side. And then take the rest that you'll be using in the centre to knot over, and you want to match the ends and then run them through your fingers to find the centre. Then you want to do the same thing with your longest ones, but pull out the extra foot at one end so that you can use it to create your loop. So once you've got the centre for all your cords, you can put them together like that. And then taking the shortest end, you want to tie a temporary knot so that you can attach it to the board. Next you want to arrange your cords on the board. So on the outside you should have your longest cords, and in the centre you should have your shortest ones. And to begin, I'm going to start on the right hand side and I'm going to work over the cords in the centre and then pull through. And I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to work underneath these cords and then pull through. And then I want to do a mirror image at the other side with the other cord. So I'm going to go over and pull through. And then I want to go under and pull through. Next I want to take this cord at this side again and I want to work over and then under, and then switching back to the other side again, working over and pulling through and under and pulling through. And I want to keep switching sides doing these knots until I've got the loop as long as I want it. Now how big you make this loop will depend on the size of the bracelet that you are making, and whether you start here and end at this side or end at the other side, again, will depend on the pattern you're making. I'm going to start knotting at this side and end knotting at this side, so I'll have two more knots on this side than I will on that side, and this is going to be my outside loop. So as I curve it round, it's going to be on the outside. But this may vary depending on the pattern you're using, and sometimes it might work better the other way, depending on if you do a different pattern to what I'm going to be doing. So once you've done the amount of knots that you need, you want to gently bend the loop into position. You want to create a kind of U shape here. And once you've done that, you can go on to creating whatever pattern you're going to make from this loop.